Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This afternoon we're on the beach at Oura in the new town of Albufeira. We just had a cracking meal at Vivaldos Bar overlooking the sea there. I just thought I'd take you along the beach, and apparently there's supposed to be some nice beach bar restaurants just at the other side of that hotel, so let's go and check it out, guys. So in front of us we've got the Cuica Bar. I've actually been in there, had a few drinks there, not had a meal there, but it looks very nice. Quite a bit of seaweed on the beach at the moment. Tide's just going out. It's been a beautiful day today. And just in the background there is where we've just eaten, Vivaldos. Check it out, guys, if you're in this area. So I'm walking along the boardwalk, passing all the bars and restaurants that are overlooking the beach. And I'm going to head to them rocks over there. Battery's running a bit low, guys, so I'm hoping I make it. There's all the pedlos that have been returned. Now, I'm not too sure if I go through the caves or follow the steps around the hotel. I'll check the caves out first. That's the hotel that I've got to pass. Tide's still in, I'm going to have to take my shoes off, so you can nip round the other side of them caves. The tide's just going out, but it's not going out fully. Took my shoes off. See if we can get around here. Ow. Them rocks are sharp. Well, it's quite nice. Nice speedboat there in the background. Lovely hidden quirky beaches. Let's see if we can find a beach bar on it. Oh yeah, there it is. That's really nice, that. That's really well hidden little gem, that. Looks quite plush as well. Let's go and give it a go, guys. That's really nice. Beach Cafe, it's called. So I could have used the steps that bypasses the hotel, but it's nice to go in the sea. It's quite a nice restaurant, let's have a look. It's a full menu. Entradas, saladas, fish, meat, hamburgers, pastas, pizzas, does everything. Let's go and check inside. There's a rocking little restaurant stroke bar. Very nice. That's beautiful, that. Let's go and grab a drink. Well, they're super busy at the bar. Looks like I'll be waiting a while for a drink there. Let's go and pop down to the beach. A really beautiful place, this. And there's the beach bar in the background there now. Really cute, that. Little hidden beauty, that. was a couple of our viewers, I think it was Lenny and Debbie, that told us about that. They said go past the hotel on the sand and you come to a lovely little beach bar. And I do believe that there might be more down there. I'll take a look, guys. Well, you wouldn't believe you're in a new town Albufeira here, would you? Total contrast to the strip, and it's only 400 metres away. It's beautiful. Does look like there's another one here. Casa Algarvia Beach Bar. Let's pop round here. There's quite a wait for the drinks at the bar there, so pop round here. Hopefully it's not as busy. I'll grab a sneaky quick beer before I go back to Sue. Yeah, this one's a bit more rustic, this one. Hopefully I'll get a drink in there now. Let's go and check it out. Let's see if he's open. Are you open?
Yes.
Could I have Sagres? Media fashionable?
Drink here or
Yeah, drink it here, yeah.
a pint of Sagres?
Half, small one, pequeno.
Small.
Si, obrigado.
We have 20 or 30.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, the large one, yeah, the 30 then, yeah. I've come a long way, so I need nice refreshments, yeah. It's a nice bar, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Another little hidden gem, guys. And what's your name?
Terio.
Terry, okay. Thank you very much, Terry. Cheers.
Thank you.
Stunning views there, guys. This is a bit more cafe style compared to the last one we went to. Omelettes, does serve fish, the marisco, hamburgers, chips, burgers, everything, toasties, salads. Cheers, mate, thank you very much. Well, guys, there's no Guinness challenge here today. Oh, I would have well gone past the G there today, guys. Well, them two little bars, really little hidden gem, guys. You wouldn't know they were there. Thanks to Lenny and Deborah for putting us on to them. It's a nice little walkabout there. So, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.